with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Paris. Welcome once more to the Jamaican Deb Strain. Blessed morning to you. Oh, no, I see me. Turn on the recess light then for me. Let me see if it look better. Over the stove, this will look dark. And the machine, I'm doing laundry. A little bit better. Good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a beautiful morning. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Yeah, I want to share something with you. I want to share with you. Mama, you're going to be hearing my washroom just out there, so I'm a washer. So, so everything about me is always real. So just ignore the washer sound. So, we have this here. You saw when I did a curry chicken there, I have this leave back. So I know some people said they remembered, maybe a few. I'm gonna use the curry oil to fry dumpling. So right here some have me there far, you not see. Also, I was saying that you saw when I made a curry chicken, I'm gonna tell you, I said back then that curry oil would save. So look here, I am here. Yeah, I have a little baking powder and I'm a flour. I don't know if nobody wants it. So it's a beautiful morning though. Maybe if I got up, but it's still a beautiful morning. It doesn't matter. It is a beautiful morning. Sunny. Yesterday was a little sunny and off where I am in the country here, but that them got on and them said the weather was a little bit chilly there, but it wasn't chilly where I am. So I am making some dough, fried dumpling dough, and over there I do have my, I have my son show now what I have. I have boiled fever grass with cinnamon leaf. And I'm gonna make the fried dumpling in the curry oil. So I am making my dough, Paris, and I hope you are having a beautiful day. I hope you stay hydrated in this at time. I come until night time at bad. Hot. You not even want to use the AC, but you have to use it because soda just make you, but you have to drink lots and lots of liquid. Not necessarily water, because sometimes you drink so much water, you want little water. You want little juice for taste up your mouth, but you make sure so you do it sweet and you leave out the carbonated, you leave out the acidic drinks, no matter with them. And them are going to start one different problem. So I'm doing this. I am going to be making my dough, leaving it to get a little softened, a little rested, and then when you see me back, me I go do? Me I go fry the curry dumpling there. I fry the dumpling in the curry oil. It wouldn't be a curry dumpling, it would be a fried dumpling in curry oil. But let us think about it. What about a curry fried dumpling? What do you think? I'm saying like curry fried dumpling, but this wouldn't be a curry fried dumpling. It would be the fried dumpling in the curry oil. But talk to me, Parry. What about if your girl, if you're truly, because I know I can do it, I know I can do it. Let's talk. Tell me in the comment section if you think I should make a curried fried dumpling. I say curry, I mean curry fried dumpling. What do you think? What do you think about that? Wanna think I can pull that off? Tell me that in the comment section. Tell me. It's not impossible. I was talking about it. I just come right now to my mind. Yeah, you know what you see how my ear shrink up? That's how my have shrinking here. It doesn't matter. But it's a breath of fresh air. I don't see me on a head tie and a cap of such. But when I'm doing my cooking videos, I always like to cover my head. That's for me. That's how I do my thing. So anywho, I am going to be finishing up the dough and I'll catch you in the next clip. But I wanted to talk to me and tell me for the things that I can't come out with the curry fried dumpling. Talk to me. Remember me come with it yourself was going to tell you, you know. So look here, talk to me. If you think I can do it, talk to me. Tell me if I can and give me an advice which channel, whether this, the family channel or the cooking channel. Me feel like me want to put it on the family channel, but you vote and tell me which channel. Okay, and I just want to say welcome and thanks to the new people that are right on over here. Thank you all so much for clicking onto my videos. And look here, it's not all the time we're going to be having Debbie Deb's St. Mary videos and this. It's going to be a mixture as of now, because there are content that me can easily find to put when I'm not in St. Mary. But the St. Mary video, I'm going to turn up still, you know, because them there for turn up, you know. So me smell my fever grass and my cinnamon leaves. So next clip. So okie dokie, I am back and this is my tea. Bush tea. Boy. Yeah, so I think I don't know if I see my pot. I carry my pot here, so yeah, right there. Right there, girl. I don't know, I'm not so good with the camera, you know, but I'm not to learn. Yeah, I'm not to learn. So, I know so not see me. And if you're just coming in on the video, that sound there, I'm a washer. I do real house, me then. Real life, real everything. So, look here. I make my dumpling then. So, I wash her run early in the morning. I like wash early. I can't take the late washing. So, I try to make some flat. Oh, I'm not telling you, I can't wait. You know. I try to make it and eat it, you know. But comment and tell me if you don't remember this. I say sitting there in this, so I have to flat it up. I don't want it too thick. I want it fried quick and crispy. Help me, help me, help me, help me. So, yep. So, I know so now see it. Y'all, are you seeing it? Yeah. I know I see it. Yeah, man. My tea over there, so I'm put my tea in. So, I hope everything is good with you and the fan bar. I'm trying not to say like I man, I long thing with you, I'm hungry. I slept all night and I was just like think a long time I like this in a family, the fried dumpling at the curry island. Lad man, so on the two can hold this so. And then the long thing with them, you know. We know, we like the long thing with them, you know. We want them to be ready. Yeah. So, camera girl said, she's going to make Frankfurt and sit. And she said, I'm going to make one of them. But that's a Friday, I know we sing 1, 2, and my tea. So I'm going to get them all fried up. And when they're all fried up, I'll come back to you. Hope you're having a beautiful day. As I said, a beautiful week so far. Today is Wednesday. Hope you're having a good time. I make Satan try steal your joy. And come from time to time, you know. Some days you're not feeling the right. Yesterday was one of those days I wasn't feeling all that upbeat. But in the afternoon, I'm on fasting this week too. I'm going to break my fast, you know. But let me tell you something. That is the week when the devil come at me most. I'm saying, come at me. Let me see. Yesterday was Tuesday. See my soul on. I started feeling like a little down. So look, I'm going to tell us something. I'm going to tell us something, old devil. This is what I say, because, you know, you have a lot of things doing and dealing with, and then I say, look, I'm going to tell us something. Not today. Not today. And then I was home alone part of the day. I sat and I said, you know what happened? I declare my happiness. Yeah. So, look here. So the busy where Dad did that great. You see it dry now. I didn't put it on the outside. So you see, you must have this at home. You see, it carry a lot of dust when I just put it right on the microwave top there. Wash and finish. So, and then it is this. So I'm gonna put it in. I have a bottle here that is wash and make sure say it dry properly, air dry properly. I dried it with hand towel and then it properly air dry. So I'm gonna put my biscuit in it a little more. Yeah. Can make some biscuit tea and maybe have it to the first thing. Yeah, so dumpling I look up. Yes man, boy. You see them I take color, curry color, ma. I know say someone don't want to go water for the dumpling here, you know. But boy, osh, can't help you know. Yeah. So look here. When you see me back, these dumplings will be ready. Dumplings will be ready. I'm not eat all of them. And I will sit at them and we will go back then in a little talking. So my food is ready. I'm gonna take 2. So God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for food. Amen. I don't know if you're not going to see it. I have fever grass seeds that I add for my seeds. Wow. I have fever grass and I boil it with cinnamon leaf. Wow. I want to take myself back then. I want to take on back then too. Look here. Oh. You see this red in here? This red part in here? That thing again cold, but the red thing that I have that I can't find, I hope I'll find it when we start pack out some of the stuff then. That little thing there where we put in at the curry, that's saffron. Yeah, this curry is a good curry. You see this red? It is the saffron. Yeah, good curry. I know say saffron did in that curry, but I wouldn't see it when I fry the dumpling. And oh, all of you when I know saffron, it's very expensive and you use just a, let me tell you, smallest bit. I would love to find it. I have had it, my friend sent it to me now years ago. And I was to use it in a curry video to show you. And let me tell you, I just never get around to it. And the curry, they then put saffron in a good curry. Nice flavor. Look. Wow. Watch ya. You see that? When they eat, take it. Yeah, and they carry it out on the dumpling. Whoa. Nice curry. Nice. Ooh. Back then. I'm lift back the curry and my dumpling. I had my bush cheese, sour sap, Jacqueline bush, black seeds, wild seeds. Tell me some white bush them. Seriously. I have this have with the green cercy, with the cercy and the green coconut milk in there with this. Oh, I don't know if I remember. The cercy boil and have the little peaches and the green coconut milk. Oh, Lord. One of them curry fried dumpling or 2. But if you not get 2, you pick me. 1 you get. When you see so long, I remember that. Full up the jar, man, full up the pan for your school. I give 2 dumplings. Ma, I the fastest jar that full up of water. We never have it easy like them I pick me, you know. Where I get up and dress and put on this and that. We fix up ourselves, yeah? And we catch bus. Or them school bus, or them ride pick them up. We never have it so. We had to wake. The boy picking them go bush. I saw my girl picking them too. I saw the girl move goat, move cow, give cow water, give donkey water, feed pig. Come back, come carry water, sweep up yard with broom, bend down back broom. Lord have mercy. And see we are? We are the ones that are the background. We are the foundation of our family now. We hard work not kill nobody. From we are lick up picking we are work. And see we are? We are 57, 58, 60, 60 years. See we are? We turn up same year. Some of our children them we have them come. They never get them rough life there. And we still have to turn up for them even though them get easier life than we. Come in. Fried dumpling. And bush, you don't come on, egg. You don't want there. When we get this, we are cream. Come in, family. Come in, party. We couldn't tell from our parents that we not drink tea. Like how you see you have these younger generation and get up a man time. They are go around and forget a cup of tea to go to school in the morning. Say don't get a cup of tea. We couldn't tell from our parents say we parents say we not drink tea. We have to drink it. Yeah. And eat it and eat it. I never have no soda, no box food. We never have them there. I have to drink the cup of tea. And sometimes dumpling boil from overnight and then fried overnight dumpling too. I caramel dumpling when I from overnight. I remember some fried caramel dumpling in my day. And you take them out of the water, the caramel dumpling and the curry oil, man. Talk to me. We couldn't tell our parents that we now. We had to do it. Yeah. And do it very willingly too. Maybe some of us would frown a little. And look here. Some of us, including myself, would have come back home for lunch. Camera girl, she applied to fear had a rest of dumpling and she eat it with sausage. We so come home for lunch if you live near. I never live so near. Yeah, come on, get one of them here too. A little sugar and water. Them bigger than this. Cold. For lunch. And we're learning. Yeah? Most of we come. Some of bank manager, lawyer, teacher, police, commissioner, everything. We learned at school. Those who wanted to learn. Because some of them never did want to learn. Just like, some kids want to learn, some don't want to learn. So that was like from back then. Right? Never stop with. Barefoot. Yeah. And most of us come out. If them put Winnie and Pandis give we not eat it. At least we not come out, we not wear worse. We can't sign Winnie. No time people that say, I can remember some people bring to school. Went to school for them lunch. What in then shame, yeah? Shame I kill them with it. I don't know what I pick to them because when them bring that, sometimes I pick them and take school lunch. But them don't know, so some of them might take school lunch, but I still eat it from them. So that's how it is back then. There's so many little things. Our parents couldn't afford to throw out that oil. And I don't think it's just our black people only. When you trace back from other nations from back then and watch them history, and them will show you where they were coming from, even white people, how back then was. They had them bacon, even to know on YouTube. You see people having back then, people like older people my age and so. Right, even look at people like my age, look older, even a little younger. I'm sure you say them keep them bacon grease. Yeah. But now, and look at it. Look at my dumpling. From my hand. My dumpling there. You look like it greasy to you? No, it's not greasy. And some people say, oh, too much grease. Wow. This is so refreshing. And it's even more refreshing to be here, sharing with you in real life. Bring back your memory. Jog your memory. Remember them days, man. Mama, have enough away. Sometimes I don't think whether I have enough away, yes or no. It was a joy to have some curry oil. But we are going to look, hey, and if mama not dead, and you have big picking curry oil from potter, a fireside, they cover up. Or fried two dumplings, sometimes you can find baking powder with the curry oil. Parry, this has been a joy. If you remember this, comment also and let me know if you want me to do the curry fried dumpling. This is fried dumpling in curried oil. This is not curry fried dumpling. But it was a pleasure for me to eat this with you. I do enjoy flavor from the curry oil. You know what? Please do this thing. But if I get one cup of saltfish, we take it low. Don't ever be ashamed of your roots. It's where you're coming from. And a lot of times, it's where you're coming from lead you to go where you would like to go. Because you tell yourself, so you want to pull yourself out of this. And better yet, you just want to pull yourself, your children, out of certain living, you know. But look here, sometimes you have to make them know a little of this too. Because it doesn't matter. Oh, pardon me. That is where the bush tea man time do. Oh, pardon. You know how vital it is for you to release that overnight gas from off your stomach. Clear up your brain. A lot of people don't know. They don't understand. You know, they don't understand. But we are from a culture that does that. You know, if some people them not drink this amount and then sick for the rest of the day. Different strokes for different folks. I was saying it is very vital also for to teach our children some of this, because listen, I've often told my kids it doesn't matter how technology increase and they have this and you have what's that thing, you have smart this and smart that. On this journey of life, you see, you know, have that smart life here. In a smart life, you got to have lots and lots of little techniques to beat this journey of life. You see what I say? The smart life not exists. That's what they think. But you're gonna find yourself when you say, oh, I don't this and I don't that, and you start having your children, you start making your own family. Mortgage or rent, car payments, there, you know, me tell you some Alice, some of them near the road when I come here. So you got hear that. I know you all don't mind that. And all them bills come tumbling down on them. And guess what? Them have to make sure say them sacrifice food. Them have to go low on food to pay the bills. What you gonna do? Eat and for their belly, and then you ain't got no electricity. Them come for your car. Landlord show up for evict you, or the bank want back them house. You gotta. This is the most thing when you're on this journey of life. This food is the thing where you can economize upon the most. And I'm going to talk about that in another video. Tell me, food is where you can economize upon the most. You can't economize upon light bill, because even if you try for money less, it will come more. You can't economize upon the mortgage or the rent. It's got to pay. Not on the light bill, no darling. Not on the car payment. You can economize on the food. You can eat less and go cheaper. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. And never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. You're feeling down, try to rise above it. Tomorrow will be a better day.